From steel bar to ocean giant, the making of a 500-meter anchor chain. Part 2. Step 9. Making the shackle pin and nut. The shackle pin, which bears the entire assembly's load, starts as a 130-pound ingot. Heated in electric furnaces, it's placed vertically in a press. A hexagonal upper mold strikes the end, forging the pin's head. The manufacturer's mark and steel grade are stamped in. Excess metal is trimmed off, and a lathe machines the rough surfaces to an exact diameter before cutting the threads. The pin then undergoes a 3-stage heat treatment, heating to over 1,500 degrees Fahrenheit to form austenite, quenching in oil to form martensite, hard but brittle, and tempering at around 400 degrees Fahrenheit to eliminate brittleness and create toughness. The nut is forged separately from a solid steel ingot, heated, punched to create a center hole, then machined with micrometric precision to match the pin's threads. Step 10. Final assembly and protection before assembly. The shackle body undergoes the same 3-stage heat treatment. Then, each shackle is immersed in a bath of molten zinc at over 800 degrees Fahrenheit, a process called hot dip galvanizing to protect against corrosion. A final dip in a passivating solution seals the zinc layer. For threaded parts, spinning removes excess zinc without clogging the threads. Finally, the pin, nut, and shackle body are joined. A secondary safety pin prevents the nut from loosening due to vibration. The finished shackles are packed in wooden boxes with oiled paper to prevent rust during transport. Step 11. Testing the chain back to the anchor chain. It must pass rigorous tests, including magnetic particle and fluorescent magnetic particle inspections to detect surface defects. The chain is then hardened and tempered in a vertical furnace. The acid test follows. A colossal tensile testing machine applies up to 2,400 tons of force to ensure every link withstands extreme loads without permanent deformation. Workers then grind away any imperfections, and shot blasting removes all rust and scale. Finally, the chain is dipped in a 10-meter deep pool of water-based asphalt, an environmentally friendly coating that remains flexible in cold seas. Step 12. Certification and shipment inspectors from leading maritime authorities, U.S., Norway, Japan, UK, examine every weld, coating, and link. In the lab, samples are pulled to destruction, and impact tests measure how much energy the steel can absorb before breaking. Each chain section receives a unique serial number for traceability. A crane lifts the finished chain into a container. From the factory, it travels to a port and is loaded onto global trade ships. A single mega container ship can carry 200,000 to 240,000 tons of cargo worth over $1 trillion on some routes. The anchor chain, forged from simple steel bars, now stands ready to perform without fail, whether in calm harbors or raging sea storms.